So this is the JMGO O2S Ultra. It's the world's smallest and compact 4K tri-laser TV projector with an integrated gimbal. In my previous video, I've reviewed this. Make sure to check the link in the description. This is an absolute powerhouse packed with a whole bunch of features. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing how great this works with your gaming setup, because not only is this great for a home cinema movie night, but you can actually connect a next-gen gaming console, and this basically becomes the ultimate gaming UST projector on the market. So I will be setting this up with my PS5, and I'm going to showcase how to get the perfect settings for it and connect it with my ALR screen back here, and then show you how great the visuals are, how great the audio is, and just why this is the ultimate gaming projection machine on the market. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is, when you do connect your gaming console, make sure it's connected to HDMI 1, which is ultra high speed. So that's what I'm going to connect my PS5 HDMI cable to, and then I'm going to go ahead and set this up with my screen. So let's just go ahead and jump straight in. Okay, so everything is set up. It's now turned on. I have my PS5 connected. So there's a few things that we just need to change in the settings for the projector before we dive into the PS5 system. So let me go ahead and show you that now. Okay, so now if you go into the settings, under display, you'll see a whole bunch of options. We need to come all the way down to the bottom. You can see MEMC is turned off. Make sure that remains off. We don't want any smoothing of the frame rates. It's going to cause a little bit of lag or juddering when it tries to input artificial frames in between fast movements. So we keep that off. HDMI low latency mode. This we need to make sure is on, so that we do have this for gaming devices that are connected. So right now my PS5 is connected, so that is available right there. And if you want to play any games up to 120 Hz refresh rate, then it's ideal to turn on this high refresh rate toggle here. I will turn it on, but I'm just keeping this off for now because it will make the screen flicker on my recording with my camera. So I won't do that just yet. But there's one more setting that I also want to go into. So that's under advanced settings. When you do that, you go down to the middle and you come across ALLM. That basically stands for auto low latency mode. It's just a feature that's found in most modern projectors that automatically switches the display to a low latency mode when it detects a compatible gaming device or console. So it's important to have this on. There's a toggle right at the bottom for the refresh rate as well. This just displays it in the top right corner of the screen of the current refresh rate. So you can see there on the top right now it's on 60 FPS. So if you like, you can leave that on. If you don't want that in the way, then you can just toggle that off. That's more for informational purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on high refresh rate, and we're going to dive into the PS5. Alright, so here's the PS5 system. High refresh rate is on. Now we're ready to dive into some gaming. This looks absolutely stunning on this screen as well. So I can see this replacing my TV as a monitor for my PS5 setup. I initially had this with my Samsung TV, but now I feel like having a 100-inch screen using the JMGO O2S Ultra for my PS5 is just going to take things to the next level. So let's go ahead and load up some games and showcase how great this actually looks. So first up, Forza Horizon 5. Just watch the smoothness as I tear through these Mexican landscapes at high speed. There's zero motion blur. The colors are very vibrant, that absolutely pop, and stunning detail in the car with reflections that look photorealistic. The input lag is imperceptible. Every steering input feels immediate and precise. And with Dolby Atmos support, the engine roars and environmental sounds create genuine spatial audio that puts you right in the driver's seat. Now switching over to Battlefield 6 RedSec, This is where the projector proves itself for competitive online gaming. During intense firefights, the low latency keeps your aim on target, while the 4K clarity lets you spot enemies at distance. The contrast handles darker sections beautifully, maintaining shadow detail while explosions have real punch. The Dolby Atmos audio here is a game changer. You can hear footsteps, gunfire direction, and environmental cues with pinpoint accuracy, giving you tactical advantage without needing a headset. So if you decide to use this without a headset to play your games, then you can be confident knowing that you're going to get accurate spatial audio, especially when it comes for directional perception, really clearly with the O2S Ultra. And finally, Disney Speedstorm showcases the projector's versatility with bold, cartoon-style graphics that look incredible on the large screen. Smooth motion keeps the action fluid, and the UI elements stay crystal clear for tracking power-ups mid-race. The upbeat soundtrack and sound effects benefit from the immersive audio, making every boost and collision feel satisfying. So whether you're playing shooters, racing sims, or arcade races, the JMGO O2S Ultra delivers responsive, vibrant gameplay with cinema quality audio that genuinely rivals dedicated gaming setups. And that's my showcase with the JMGO O2S Ultra with my PS5 as the ultimate 100-inch cinematic gaming projector, which can definitely replace every gaming monitor, every TV. You can use this in the daytime, at nighttime, and you're going to have an absolute great experience. The combination of the visuals with Dolby Vision as well as Dolby Atmos for the audio immersive settings, this is going to be one of the greatest UST projectors that you can use with any of your next-gen gaming consoles. I hope you enjoyed this video, so make sure to subscribe and I will catch you all next time.